Step 1. Enable developer options. Hold the voice button and say Open Google Play Store.
Play Store.
Search for and install S2X to upload and install APK files. Grant access to all files permission. Hold the OK button and choose Browser Upload. Scan the QR code with your phone or PC browser. On your phone, choose an APK and upload it to the TV. Make sure the APK includes an ARM v7 build for Google TV compatibility. Press OK on the APK to install it. Enable Install Unknown Apps to proceed. Done. Your APK is installed. If it is not on the home screen, download the Sideload folder app to open apps without a home screen icon.